Meaning of dignitary.
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 Dignitary. The term dignitary refers to a person who holds a high rank or position of honor and respect, often within a government or other official organization. This individual is typically regarded as an important figure and deserving of special treatment and protocol. Examples of dignitaries may include heads of state, ambassadors, religious leaders, or other notable public figures. The term can also be used more broadly to refer to anyone who is considered to have a certain level of prestige or authority in their field or community.